What's up, YouTube? In this video, I'll be reviewing the USB podcast microphone by MAONO. This mic is perfect for gaming, streaming, voiceovers, Zoom meetings, recording audio for your YouTube videos, and pretty much anything else you can need a mic for. It is a cardioid mic, which means it's designed to pick up sound in one direction and to suppress unwanted background noise so that you can capture crystal clear audio quality whenever you need it most. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and PS4 systems, and it's plug and play, which means all you have to do is plug it in and you're ready to go. This microphone comes with everything you need right out of the box, including the USB cable and tripod stand. It also has a built-in gain knob, which allows you to easily control the volume of your audio files without sound distortion. It's super easy to install and costs less than $30 on Amazon at the time of filming this video. I'll leave a link for it in the description below for those of you who want to check out all the specs and reviews. And with that all said, let's go ahead and open one up and see what comes in the box. Alright, so this is the box we got from Amazon. So on the front it says it is by MAONO. It's a portable USB microphone kit. The model number is AU-PM461TR. Let's see, the top of the box goes over a few of the specifications that we've already gone over, so we won't spend very much time on this. And this is the back of the box. If you'd like to pause the video here to check out all the details, you can. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So it opens up just like that. So the first thing you see, you have a little card here that goes over the details of if you have any trouble, support, you can contact them here. This is the user manual, and in the manual it should go over how to use everything, and then what comes in the box. So what comes in the box you'll see is the actual microphone itself, the foam windscreen, the tripod, the USB cable, so everything you need to actually work it. So go ahead and check all of this out when you receive the product. Alright, so in the box itself we have the windscreen here, and tucked in the windscreen is actually all of the cables and then the tripod itself. So we'll set these over to the side here. Alright, and then here we have the actual microphone. So how do we get this out of here? It is packaged really well, so but the microphone pops out just like that. Comes wrapped, so we'll throw that away. Alright, so here's the actual microphone. First impressions is it feels like a good quality. It's a pretty light microphone. Looks like a great quality. We will test this out here in just a minute. Let's set this down and see if there's anything else in the box we need to go over here. Alright, so we have little silica packet. We don't need that. And then the last part of the actual microphone. So we will put this together really quickly and we'll plug it up and test it out. So putting it together is really easy as well. Essentially you just have to screw these parts together. So you take the tripod and you screw the tripod in right here, just like this. Alright, once that's on there nice and tight, you can go ahead and attach the microphone. The microphone will go in just like this. And just make sure you screw it in there just like that. Alright, and once that's in there, we can go ahead. This is the knob here that you'll use to actually change the angle of the microphone. So this angle is up to 180 degrees. So you can loosen this knob by turning it to the left. You can angle it however you want. So for me, we'll just put it right about here. This would be a good angle for testing, and then to tighten it, obviously just tighten it back up. And the microphone will spin around so you can point it wherever you need, but you're going to want to talk to this side of the microphone. So the side with the gain button is the side you're going to talk into. Don't talk into the back of the microphone or it'll be pretty distorted. So the best audio, obviously, just talking to the front. Let's open up the tripod here. And yeah, it'll sit on your desk just like that. So yeah, installation, I mean, it's really not much of an installation. You just screw things together, but putting it together was really easy. So this is everything that comes in the box here. Obviously the cable, and then the windscreen. And to use a windscreen, you just slide it right on top of there. I'll show you guys just for the video purpose here, but come on now, this is a tight fit. Okay, but yeah, the windscreen, obviously, you just put that on there just like that. You can test it with it and without it and see if, if you like it or not. To take it off, you just pull it right back off of there. Alrighty, but yeah, so, and then obviously this is the USB cable. and the USB cable will connect to the device right down here. So you can see, let's see here, this part of the cable here connects right there, just like that, and then obviously this part will go into your computer or whatever you're going to be using the device on. But yeah, so now we'll go ahead and I'll get this plugged into my computer, and we'll go through the setup on computer as well for you guys, just so in case some of you have any questions, you know, we'll go over those together just to show you how to set it up. And once everything's set up, we'll test out the audio quality. So yeah, let's get it plugged in and see how she works. Alright, so let's go ahead and get it plugged up. We'll start by taking the cable here, and we'll plug the cable into the bottom. Let's see, just like that. Once you get that plugged in, just place the mic wherever you want it to go. For demonstration, we're just going to keep it right here. And then take your USB and plug it into your computer. And it will go ahead, it's plug and play. As you can see, it did go ahead and pop up on my computer. So I'll go ahead and switch to the computer screen now so I can walk you guys through the setup to show you how to make it work with your computer. And then once we have it all ready to go, we'll switch over to this audio source and we'll begin to use it. That way you can compare the audio and, you know, check out the quality and see what you think about the actual device. But yeah, it's literally that easy to go ahead and connect it to your computer. Alright, so now that we've got the mic plugged in, I'll go ahead and show you how to set it up as the default device on your computer, and it's really easy. To do that, just go ahead and come down here to the icons menu on your PC and right click on the sounds icon and then left click where it says sounds. That's going to bring up the sounds menu. We're going to click up here where it says recording. This will show all of the recording devices on your PC, and we're going to right click on the microphone that says USB condenser microphone. Once you right click there, just left click where it says set as default communication device, and then left click again on OK. Now this is the default device on your computer as your microphone, so all of your recording systems should go ahead and default to this one. And now I'll go ahead and I'll switch over to this microphone for the rest of this video to show you guys the quality of it and so you can see exactly how it works. Alright, so the audio you're hearing now was recorded with this mic. I've been testing it for a few days, and I can honestly say that it is a quality product, especially for the price. I've had no issues with it whatsoever, and the sound quality always comes through crystal clear. If you're looking for an easy to use microphone that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then I would highly recommend this one. It's available on Amazon, and I've left a link to it in the description below for anyone who wants to try it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. It only takes a second and it really helps my channel grow. We're working hard to get to 3,000 subscribers, so every little bit helps at this point. And that's pretty much it for this video, so until next time my friends, take it easy.